If maybe you can take a lot of what you've discussed today on the episode and pretend you're talking to your ideal Prima customer, can you give the Prima sales pitch?
I can. One particular firm we know of, there was a client's check that hadn't cleared. And so the client called and then the firm looked into it. And turns out it was that check hadn't cleared. About $36,000 in cash had gone missing.
Wow.
So they did an investigation, right? And they went through all of their records, and it was very clear what had happened after the paper trail. After the police got involved, which they did because this person lost their job, the police were called. It was confessed to pretty much right away. All this money ended up going to a casino. Someone and their boyfriend liked to go to the casino and were just literally throwing the money away on casinos, cocaine, and who knows what else. So that's a huge risk for firms, first of all. And then especially in days like today, where there's a lot of firms who are saying, you know what? I survived COVID. I did video calls with my clients. Anything I can do to have a more virtual presence and rely less on in-person stuff like handing over cash is a huge benefit. One thing that we really liked about Confido is the ability for us on our end to enable surcharging, right? Surcharging lets the attorney pass along the already low rate that Confido offers for doing the transactions, but it allows the law firm to pass that on to the customer as well, subject to your local jurisdiction's rules and requirements, right? But that part's automated, so it doesn't hurt. Being able to get rid of having to use cash. We are attorneys, but we're not Saul Goodman, and we shouldn't be carrying huge cash deposits, dropping them at the bank all the time.